A Round Rock couple is devastated, and they want you to listen to their story so it doesn't happen to you.
A day before their vacation to Hawaii was to begin, their COVID-19 pre-travel documents were rejected. KXAN's Jayla Washington spoke with them earlier today to find out what happened.
And the website where you upload it is travel.hawaii.gov.
James Ayers has been planning a trip to Hawaii with his wife Margaret for months.
See how they got that approved.
It was a total shock Sunday night when he went to upload their negative COVID-19 results per Hawaii's policy.
This is a list of people that use.
He found out Hawaii will only accept results from an approved list of partners.
None of these are in our area.
Ayers says they got tested through their doctor at the Austin Regional Clinic within 72 hours of travel, also a requirement.
They didn't tell us you can't use your regular doctor, even though he's the licensed physician.
CVS and Walgreens are on the approved list, so they tried to get a test there, but they were told they wouldn't get results back before leaving tomorrow morning. So then they drove to Temple for a place they say was on the list too, but the website wouldn't accept tests from there when they tried to upload them.
One website shows Care Now is on the list, but when you go to the website where you had to upload your results, it's not.
The two feel there's been no clarity during the entire process, and not even their travel agent saw this coming.
We've both been in tears. Both have been upset about it. You know, we planned this for a long time.
But thankfully,
oh, Lordy,
they didn't pack their bags for no reason and will still be able to go to Cancun. They just don't want this stressful experience to happen to anyone else.
You got to do it yourself because none of them people are going to help you.
Jayla Washington, KXAN News.
The couple says they also found out last night that they're supposed to set up COVID-19 testing in advance to travel between Hawaiian islands. We did speak to their travel agent on the phone. That person says everyone should do their best to research a destination's COVID-19 travel policies.
Hawaii is the only state that requires a negative COVID-19 test before arriving. According to CNN Travel, up until today, Puerto Rico still required one. Washington, D.C. still requires a negative COVID-19 test for those who are not fully vaccinated. That's if you're coming in from a high-risk area or staying for more than one day. And you may want to get a COVID-19 test before you travel to a few other states if you're not fully vaccinated. A handful of states like Rhode Island and Massachusetts require you to quarantine for at least 10 days. That's unless you're fully vaccinated or test negative for COVID-19.
Today, the State Department issued a level 4 do not travel health advisory for Japan because of high levels of COVID-19 infections. Tokyo is now under a state of emergency just 2 months before the Olympic Games.